Hi Royals, so once again you're welcome to the Lifestyle by RA. I didn't plan to shoot today, but I came to town and I felt like taking something, so I decided to come to Brasa to have some food. So let's see how it goes. I've already ordered for my drink. Yeah, so let's see how it goes and everything. The sun is not making me to shine, but anyway. What do you have? I don't take alcohol though, so. So, what are you coming to make?
This is something off the menu.
Off the menu? Whoosh, so something special for me.
Alright.
Wow. I hope I love it. See, I'm getting a special treat. But what's your name?
Chichu.
Chichi.
Chichu.
Chichu. You're Nigerian.
Ghanaian, but
Ghanaian.
the name is Italian.
Oh, okay, Chichu. It's a very nice name, Chichu. Anyway, since it's a lifestyle and today Chichu is coming to do his mixology for us. Ooh. Guys, well, this one day I don't think if you're an expert you can do this. Or you need to have a broader shoulder. Yeah, because wow. Ooh. Wow. I didn't take alcohol, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing alcohol.
Okay.
You're safe.
I am saved by Chichu. Oh. So guys, we are still at Brasa, and yeah, let's see how my special. Is it cocktail?
It's a virgin cocktail.
Eish. Wow. Okay. The first time I had sex on the beach, I was wondering. Now, guys, this cocktail that I'm about to have is virgin, like virgin cocktail by Chichu at Brasa. So whenever you come to Brasa, ask for Chichu, and he is going to make you virgin cocktail. Now, time to taste. Makeup, okay, guys, no makeup today, but let's see how our virgin cocktail is going to taste like. Wish me up. I love it. I really love it. Like, I think what you added gave it some.
You are feeling vanilla in there. Vanilla.
Okay, yeah, but when you lick at the back of your tongue, it tastes like strawberry, or it has some strawberry. Wow. Guys, this thing really tastes good. Like, trust me. I'm not going to exaggerate. You know me that if it's not good, I'll tell you guys. But this is very good. And yeah. So, can I enjoy my virgin cocktail? And you know your girl is already a virgin, taking a virgin cocktail. So.